I have a little Maverick head-scratching problem this evening. Shericka Jackson, after her silver medal run in the 100-meter final, tell me if I'm miserable or my standard too high. Listen to this.
Honestly, I think I did pretty good today. Not as good as I think coach would have wanted me to, but I get a silver medal, I can't complain. I came out here and I execute as best as I can, and to be standing here having another medal over 100 is just a great feeling. And as I said, I'm on the podium, I can't complain, you know.
What do you think about that? Me don't like it. I think the world leader going into the final, basically the favorite for the event, having then lost the race, we should be hearing a little bit of disappointment, not getting that gold medal. I really wanted that 100-meter title and blah, blah, blah. I mean, have to wheel and come again and wait. Some semblance of disappointment. And look, we know Shericka must be disappointed, but instead chose to offer this kind of philosophical television response. I think where there is disappointment, disappointment must be expressed. And after you express it, then you address it. Right?